Let me explain something to everybody. Before I flip my camera back around, this is how you do crypto. If you listen to YouTubers telling you, well, this could do this and $7 and $10, and you try to hold your crypto until it gets to that price, you are going to get dumped on. Because people like me are going to be selling our crypto off as the market goes up. We're going to be taking 6% off the table, 10% off the table, 25% off the 40, 90% off the table. We'll be holding it as a stable coin, or we'll be pushing it into something else that hasn't pumped yet. I'm going to say that to you again. These cryptos are going to pump at different times. Some of them are going to go and they're going to shoot off and they're going to go crazy and they're going to tap out. We have taken our profits. We'll take those profits and we'll dump it into the thing that hasn't pumped yet. And we have more money to take more profits from that. The stuff you're looking at now, this is just preliminary. Let me explain to you again. If Cardano is the first one to pump, it won't be. Cardano is always a lagger. It's just, it's slow like that. It's damn near a stable coin. But what I'm saying to you, there'll be other projects that will pump. I would have been then take my profits out of the market and I'll be pushing it into the thing that hasn't pumped yet, which means I probably won't have 40,000 Cardano. It might be somewhere around 70, 80,000 waiting for Cardano to pump. Because I've already taken my profits out of Bitcoin or Ethereum or something, because those pump first. All the money comes through Bitcoin first. So I'll probably take my profits out of Bitcoin, be sitting on the side. Then Ethereum and some of the other layer twos will pump, something like your Solanas and stuff like that, your Avalanches or whatever. Now I'll take the profits out of that and then it'll start trickling down. By the time we get to the meme coins, I'm only risking a little bit of money. And for me, a little bit of money might be tens of thousands of dollars. But I'm risking a little bit more money here to get those extra, those gains that go crazy. But we've already locked up our profits from the L1s, the layer zeros like Polkadot. We've already locked our money up from that stuff. And now we're playing around with the degen stuff that hasn't gone crazy yet. If you don't understand what I just said to you and you don't know how to take, if that doesn't make sense to you, then you don't know how to take profits and you're not going to win this game. You won't. You absolutely won't. Who believes me that what I just said is for real? I know there's some power players on here, and what I just said to you, ask them if I'm telling them the truth. Ask them if I'm telling y'all the truth. Ask them. Well, man, I'll ask for you. Hey, OGs on here or people, anybody that's smarter than me or about as smart as me with crypto, am I telling the truth? Is this clear? Is this the way to do crypto? Taking chunks out of the market on the way up? Taking the profits that's going to come out of Bitcoin and the layer ones and the layer zeros. We're going to take our money out of those cryptos first. And then we're going to be sitting in stable coins or sitting just waiting to go into something that hasn't pumped yet. Stuff that can get us 50, 100x on our money. And we're getting less risk for that as well. Because I'm telling you, remember the hierarchy system? Let me show it to you again. You see they telling you, you see them down there telling you I'm telling you the truth. All the money's going to come through Bitcoin first. Bitcoin pumps first, right? When Bitcoin pumps, right, we take our money out of this and then it becomes altcoin season because we take our money out of Bitcoin. We go and we put some of it into a house or real estate or whatever the case. And then we keep some in the market risk off as a stable coin. And then we get ready to put it into some stuff that hasn't pumped yet. Some DeFi projects that haven't pumped yet. Some exposure from NFT platforms that haven't pumped yet. Some metaverse or gaming projects that haven't pumped. Some low cap or micro cap gems that haven't pumped yet. Definitely some meme coins that haven't pumped. The meme coins don't pump first. Bitcoin, your layer ones and your layer zeros pump first. This is a hierarchy system, man. There's a thing called, it's a such thing called altcoin season. When the altcoins outperform Bitcoin, that is not the season right now. Bitcoin pumps first. It's always Bitcoin season first. Yeah. And if you get this wrong and you start flipping it around the other way and you start taking your profits out of your Peppies and out of these low cap gems like your Zilicas and your Singularity Nets and stuff like that, like your Arbitrums and your Suis and your, right? You start taking them profits first, you're going to realize that you messed completely up. Yeah. Because you're going to be sitting there like, oh man, I took my profit. And then you're going to see them things go absolutely nuts. And then guess what? This is, I can see it happening. This is what, if you listen to me, this won't happen to you. Here's what most people do. Most of their money is in altcoins anyway. It's not even in Bitcoin and Ethereum and all like Solana's and stuff. It's in all of these degen projects, right? So Bitcoin starts pumping and the altcoins start pumping too, but they don't pump hard yet. They're just getting warmed up. Bitcoin starts, the altcoins are just getting warmed up. You see these altcoins pumping right now? This is warm up. This ain't a real pump. These things pump hundreds of percent a day during a bull market. Hundreds of percent a day during the bull market. Ask anybody. It's nuts. But if you don't get this right, they'll start pumping. When Bitcoin pumps, they'll start warming up and you'll start taking your money out of the market. Thinking like, oh yeah, oh my God, I could buy a house, I could buy a condo. And you will be able to do that. But here's the problem. You've taken your money out of the market, right? We've taken our money out of the layer ones, Bitcoin and all of them, the layer zeros like Polkadot and all that. We've taken our stuff out of that. And now we're getting ready to put our money in the altcoins, right? They go absolutely nuts. You know what you're going to do? Because you took your money out too soon, you're going to come FOMOing back in the market. Oh my God, I missed it. And then you're going to take the money, the little profit that you took, and you're going to go and throw that back in the market. But guess who you're buying the crypto from? Me. Let me explain it to you. If I sell my Bitcoin and my L1s and stuff, and I take those profits out and I'm sitting on the sideline and I come into the altcoins, but you sold your altcoins. Now I'm coming in. The altcoins go nuts. You sold here, they go up here. You realize that you messed up. You start buying here, but I'm selling here. You're now buying the cryptos at an extra high price. I'm selling them off to you. Remember what I just showed you? I'm actually taking my profits out on you because you messed up. A lot of people won't tell you this because they want to catch you slipping. I'm giving you a fair start. Listen, I'm giving you a head start on this information. I'm giving you a head start. If you get this wrong, I'm telling you, I'm going to be the person selling my crypto to you. I'm giving you a head start. I want you to win, but because I want this to be fair. I want this to be fair. I want everybody to know. I want it to be fair.